Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be changing the headlights in a Chevrolet Traverse, and I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. It's really easy. So let's hop right into it. So the next thing you're going to want to do is get in here and start it so you can turn the wheel, turn it all the way to one side, and then go ahead and cut it off. And then you want to come down here, and your plastic wheel well, we want to take this part off, and you've got 3 screws you have to take out. You don't have to take this off, just out far enough to where you can pull this out and stick your hand up in here. Then you will need a Torx bit to get these screws out. Then once you get those screws out, you can just press this out like this, and there's a little cap in here. That cap up there is what you're going to want to take off, and you can unscrew that counterclockwise. There's the cap, real easy to get off. Then you'll grab a hold to the bulb and turn it counterclockwise, and it'll go ahead and come right out. And it's got a pigtail connector that you can just pull this bulb straight out of it. Really easy. Now these are the new LED bulbs we're putting in. These are from Auxito, and this is a H11 bulb. And before you put all this back together, you're going to want to turn your lights on and make sure it works good. And it does, and it's very bright. So now that we know it works, go ahead and install this back. Turn it clockwise so it locks in. And then you do have that pack and a long wire on these. Just stuff that into the the housing where this covers, because if you don't do that, you won't be able to put this back. You figure that out and put all of that back in. Just put this cap back on. Turn it clockwise. Make sure you don't leave a light up in there. Put that back, and then put these screws back. one, we can go ahead and turn the lights back on and see the difference. You can already see the difference in the bolt. It's the new one. And then that is the old one. Big difference, well worth the money. Oh, and something worth mentioning, these new LEDs do have a fan on the back, so you can hear it. It's real quiet, you can hear it. If you do hear it, it's got a fan on there, it's supposed to sound like that. Just to make sure you know that nothing's wrong. Now that that is installed, now we need to do the other side the same exact way, and we're going to turn the vehicle back on and turn your tires the other way so you can do the same exact thing to the other wheel well. So that is how bright these guys are. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you are interested in seeing the high beam replacement, I did do that as well. If you're going to do that, you have to go under the hood. I did do a video on that you can check out here on the channel. Hopefully you enjoyed this and it helped some of y'all guys out. And I will see you guys in the next one. See ya.